How to remove audio track in Openshot. Want to clean up the timeline or get rid of unwanted sound layers? Here's how to remove an audio track in Openshot. Right-click on the timeline panel where the audio tracks are located, usually the lower section of the timeline. Choose Remove Track from the drop-down menu. Select the audio track you want to delete and it will instantly be removed along with any clips it contains. Before removing it, you can move any important audio clips to another track just by dragging and dropping them. If your timeline gets too crowded, temporarily muting a track instead of deleting it can help you test how your video feels with or without certain audio. Have you ever had to manage too many sound layers at once? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Managing your audio space helps your project stay clean and efficient. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.